did we touch down?
Boy, carnivore's dream.
I've been to Texas if you haven't been to Buc-ee.
Oh, is that what your shirt says? Huh? Texas? Ooh.
Yeah.
This place is like the Disneyland of this beaver.
Alright, Summer Moon Coffee.
So now we're going to Waco.
Let's see.
I'm on my beanbag and I can almost reach. Oh, look! Oh, look! That's not king size.
I don't even know if it's king.
It's a queen. It's a queen.
Okay.
Really hiding
Well,
for
fairly wide enough to fit this.
So we're going to be cuddling.
You know it.
Look at that. Yeah.
Alright, you excited?
I'm so excited. So she told me not to buy a sofa. I said I can't buy a sofa.
You got it?
I got a seat at the table, just like it says. There's always a seat at the table.
Okay. So far, pretty nice, pretty nice.
Alright, we got matcha. Oh, look, there's me. What's the name?
I got my crunchy French toast in the morning. Alright.
Hi.
What just came?
I got strawberry shortcake pancake.
What we have here is a stamp hunter.
What?
How you doing? How you doing, stamp hunter?
Hi.
You got all your stamps?
I'm almost there.
Still collecting
I'm
stamps?
still collecting stamps. I'm like in Disneyland for grown women.
Okay. All right, we're in Houston, Galleria Mall.
All right, where are we?
We're in H-Town.
We're in H-Town. All right.
What's this place called?
I forgot.
Barbar. Houston, baby. All right, we came to the Top Gun shooting range.
Step down to E, and that'll be single shot. All right, you ready to go? Just pull that trigger. All right, other than that, just hold on for dear life and let it go.
Yeah. So we just finished shooting and now we came.
I shot very well, so I have to come get a massage now.
Time for a massage. Rodeo day. Where are you going? to the rodeo?
So where are we?